Good afternoon. My name is Nida. I'm reporting about a cancer patient or Arabic patient. He need like this for dinner. Marinated chicken and not too much more oil. And that chicken needs only that white and only grilled. And then if I prepare the chicken, reduce heat cooking and temperature below 300 Fahrenheit. Reduce the cooking time. Consider marinating meat before cooking it. And then need also that soft drinks, water, and also that fresh yogurt. And for the fruits, I put also grapes and watermelon. Only that's all.
So what makes your food Arabic? Ano ba yung hinanda mo dyan? Ano bang tawag mo dyan?
Always eating them kubos.
So you have kubos?
Yes, sir. They not eat always rice.
Okay, and then?
This is grilled chicken.
Okay.
And I put also onion and the sauce.
And then?
This kebab.
Okay. So what are your feedback?
Masarap po. For the cancer patient.
So patient has cancer and then you prepared food like that. Will you eat that food?
No.
Yeah,
If
maybe.
you're a Filipino, first time you eat that, like not good. But if you're always eating, it's good.
The plate maybe is not like when you look at it, it's like very pale, the color.
So you suggest that if you're offering food for cancer patients, it should be bright, it should be colorful.
We have already cancer.
But for the chicken, sir, need only that white.
Yeah, the white meat. So we avoid the red meats, which is the pork, the beef, and that because it's not good for cancer patients. But she's talking about the plating, the presentation. So avoid using plastics. Instead, use the glassware with colorful one.
The beautiful plate with the fruits, no?
Oh yeah. But why did you choose grapes? Is it anti-cancer or something?
Including, sir, even the vegetables like tomato, lemon, and that vegetables like apple, many of fruits, including for the
Ikaw, kayo, dalawang mga marites, anong mga masasabi ninyo?
Sa alin?
Ha? Hindi. Sa buhok ni Mia.
It's nice. It's like there's a fiesta coming.
So imagine ikaw, Ivy, sorry.
Nice po. Pero no sodas, right? Naharap.
So do you agree na pag cancer patient daw, kung according to Nida may soda, pwede daw?
I checked from Google.
Sugar? Di ba yung may mga sugar? Or avoid it totally. So imagine I'm going through maybe chemotherapy. So if you're going through chemo, your immune system is very low. So I probably expect like mga vitamin rich na mga food. And then the white meat is also good pero in moderation kasi it's meat after all.
And it's need to be blended, no?
By the manufacturer produce. Kailangan mo ng organic all foods.
Organic, tapos fresh.
Yes.
What did you say?
And blended. Because may mga cancer, it's blended.
Pag mga worst na mga scenario, siguro ito mga stage 1 pa lang. And then, it could have been like bright. Bright plate.
Kasi may coke pa siya.
Oo. Bago pa yan mag-chemo, I guess.
Parang kulang pa.
Okay, thank you, Nida.